Hi, my name is Audrey, and I want to tell you about transforming any living space into a multifunctional space that can significantly enhance your home's utility and aesthetics. One of the best ways to achieve this is by building and installing a DIY Murphy bed. This versatile piece of furniture, also known as a wall bed, folds up into a wall or cabinet, freeing up floor space when not in use. Here are the top benefits of adding a DIY Murphy bed to your guest room. A Murphy bed is the ultimate space-saving solution. Unlike traditional beds that permanently occupy valuable floor space, a Murphy bed can be folded away when not in use. This allows your guest room to double as a home office, gym, or playroom, maximizing the utility of your living space. Building a Murphy bed yourself can be significantly more cost-effective than purchasing a ready-made model. DIY kits like Easy DIY Murphy Bed come with all the necessary hardware parts and instructions needed to build and assemble your own Murphy bed. If you have the basic woodworking skills and a few basic woodworking tools, you can opt for this DIY project and save on labor costs and customize the bed to fit your specific needs and style. One of the biggest advantages of a DIY Murphy bed is the ability to customize it to match your home's decor and your personal preferences. You can choose the type of wood, finish, color, and style that complements your existing furniture. Additionally, you can add built-in shelves, cabinets, closets, ready-made, or from scratch, or add our stay-level desk to enhance functionality and aesthetics. Our step-by-step detailed instructions and extensive online videos makes the process manageable, even for those with limited carpentry skills and a few basic woodworking tools. The help resources on our website are accessible 24/7. Our great customer support team is always available in case you have questions. A well-designed and functional Murphy bed can add value to your home. Potential buyers will appreciate the versatility and space-saving benefits, making your property more attractive on the market. It's an investment that pays off both in daily living and future resale potential. Despite their space-saving design, Murphy beds do not compromise on comfort. You can use a high-quality mattress that ensures your guests have a restful sleep. When folded down, a Murphy bed provides the same level of comfort as a traditional bed, making it a hospitable option for visitors. When the Murphy bed is folded away, your guest room appears clean and uncluttered. This is particularly beneficial in smaller homes, apartments, or multi-purpose rooms where maintaining an open and airy feel is essential. As your lifestyle and needs change, a Murphy bed provides the flexibility to adapt. Whether you need more space for a growing family, a home office, or a hobby room, a DIY Murphy bed can easily accommodate these transitions without requiring a complete room makeover. A DIY Murphy bed is a smart, stylish, and functional addition to any room. It maximizes space, offers customization options, and adds value to your home. Plus, the satisfaction of building it yourself adds a personal touch that makes the space truly your own. Whether you're accommodating guests, creating a multi-purpose room, or simply looking to optimize your home's layout, a DIY Murphy bed is an excellent solution that blends practicality with elegance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit easydiymurphybed.com to check out our quality products.